Question number 1. Don't dash around the bush. Just tell me what happened. A. Run. B. Beat. C. Walk. Correct answer. B. Beat. Correct sentences: don't beat around the bush. Just tell me what happened. Explanation. Beat around the bush means to avoid talking about the main topic. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है घुमा फिराकर बात करना, किसी सवाल का जवाब देने से बचना या टालना. Question number 2. I was so nervous before the exam, but my teacher told me to dash a leg. A. Break. B. Twist. C. Kick. Right answer. A break. Correct sentence is, I was so nervous before the exam, but my teacher told me to break a leg. Explanation. Break a leg is used to wish someone good luck. इस मुहावरे का अर्थ है किसी को किसी काम से पहले शुभकामनाएं देना. Question number 3. After a long day at work, I decided to dash it a day. A. Leave. B. Call. C. Stop. Right answer. B. Call. Correct sentences: after a long day at work, I decided to call it a day. Explanation. Call it a day means to stop working for the day. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है किसी काम को रोकना या खत्म करना. Question number 4. He always takes the easy way out and tries to dash corners. A. Bend. B. Cut. C. Jump. Right answer. B. Cut. Correct sentences: he always takes the easy way out and tries to cut corners. Explanation. Cut corners means to do something in a cheap or lazy way. किसी काम को जल्दी या सस्ते में करने के लिए शॉर्टकट अपनाना. Question number 5. I'm feeling a bit under the dash today, so I'll stay home. A. Clouds. B. Rain. C. Weather. Right answer. C. Weather. Correct sentences: I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'll stay home. Explanation. Under the weather means feeling sick. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है बीमार या अस्वस्थ महसूस करना. Question number 6. I don't want to jump the dash, but I think we will win the competition. A. Gun. B. Fence. C. Line. Right answer. A. Gun. Correct sentences: I don't want to jump the gun, but I think we will win the competition. Explanation. Jump the gun means to act too soon. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है जल्दबाजी में काम शुरू करना या निर्णय लेना. Question number 7. Let's not cry over dash milk, we can fix the mistake. A. Spilled. B. Boiled. C. Cold. Right answer. A. Spilled. Correct sentences: let's not cry over spilled milk, we can fix the mistake. Explanation. Cry over spilled milk means to be upset over something that can't be changed. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है किसी ऐसी बात के लिए परेशान होना या पश्चाताप करना जिसे बदला नहीं जा सकता है। Question number 8. He didn't study at all, but he still passed the test by the skin of his dash. A. Lips. B. Teeth. C. Fingers. Right answer. B. Teeth. Correct sentences. He didn't study at all, but he still passed the test by the skin of his teeth. Explanation. By the skin of one's teeth means barely succeeding. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है बड़ी मुश्किल से, बाल बाल बचकर या थोड़े से अंतर से। Question number 9. She was so angry that she gave me the cold dash all day. A. Stare. B. Shoulder. C. Look. Right answer. B. Shoulder. Correct sentences. She was so angry that she gave me the cold shoulder all day. Explanation. Give the cold shoulder means to ignore someone. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है किसी को जानबूझकर नजरअंदाज करना। Question number 10. Let's keep our fingers dashed that the weather will be nice for the picnic. A. Crossed. B. Tied. C. Open. Right answer. A. Crossed. Correct sentences. Let's keep our fingers crossed that the weather will be nice for the picnic. Explanation. Keep fingers crossed means to hope for good luck. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है किसी काम के सफल होने की कामना करना। Question number 11. He spilled the dash about the surprise party. A. Beans. B. Water. C. Tea. Right answer. A. Beans. Correct sentences. He spilled the beans about the surprise party. Explanation. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है गोपनीय जानकारी को समय से पहले बता देना। Question number 12. I didn't like the idea at first, but now it's growing on dash. A. Me. B. It. C. You. Right answer. A. Me. Correct sentences. I didn't like the idea at first, but now it's growing on me. Explanation. Grow on someone means to start liking something over time. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है धीरे धीरे पसंद आना। Question number 13. He's a tough guy, but deep down, he wears his heart on his dash. A. Sleeve. B. Hand. C. Face. Right answer. A. Sleeve. Correct sentences. He's a tough guy, but deep down, he wears his heart on his sleeve. Explanation. Wear your heart on your sleeve means to show emotions openly. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है अपनी भावनाओं को बहुत खुलकर दिखाना। Question number 14. She was caught red dash stealing from the store. A. Faced. B. Handed. C. Eyed. Right answer. B. Handed. Correct sentences. She was caught red-handed stealing from the store. Explanation. Caught red-handed means caught in the act of doing something wrong. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है किसी व्यक्ति को अवैध या गलत काम करते हुए पकड़ना. Question number 15. I tried to warn him, but my advice fell on deaf dash. A. Hands. B. Eyes. C. Ears. Right answer. C. Ears. Correct sentences. I tried to warn him, but my advice fell on deaf ears. Explanation. Fall on deaf ears means to be ignored. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है अनदेखा किया जाना. Question number 16. He hit the nail on the dash with his analysis. A. Head. B. Hammer. C. Spot. Right answer. A. Head. Correct sentences. He hit the nail on the head with his analysis. Explanation. Hit the nail on the head means to describe something perfectly. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है सटीक बात कहना या करना. Question number 17. Let's not count our dash before they hatch. A. Ducks. B. Chickens. C. Eggs. Right answer. B. Chickens. Correct sentences. Let's not count our chickens before they hatch. Explanation. Don't count your chickens before they hatch means don't assume success too soon. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है कुछ अच्छा होने पर तब तक भरोसा न करें कि जब तक कि वह न हो जाए. Question number 18. She finally decided to bite the dash and quit her job. A. Bullet. B. Apple. C. Stone. Right answer. A. Bullet. She finally decided to bite the bullet and quit her job. Explanation. Bite the bullet means to endure a difficult situation bravely. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है मजबूरी में कोई अप्रिय काम करना. Question number 19. He finally got the job, but it took a lot of blood, sweat, and dash. A. Tears. B. Effort. C. Money. Right answer. A. Tears. Correct sentences. He finally got the job, but it took a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. Explanation. Blood, sweat, and tears means hard work and great effort. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है किसी चीज को हासिल करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत, प्रयास और समर्पण करना. Question number 20. The criminal disappeared into thin dash. A. Smoke. B. Air. C. Fog. Right answer. B. Air. Correct sentences. The criminal disappeared into thin air. Explanation. Disappear into thin air means to vanish without a trace. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है अचानक गायब होना. Thank you so much for watching.